In the modern time, the importance of a person is determined quite often by the things he owns. So people try to make as much money in life as they can, so that they can buy the best house, cars, and gadgets for themselves. However, in the process of making money, they often lose many things which are actually far more valuable in life. Today we are going to discuss about 5 of the most valuable things in the world, and even if you have all the money in the world, you will still not be able to buy them, simply because they are not bought and sold in the market. The first most valuable thing in the world is time. We all have limited time in the world. While a rich person may have 1 billion times more money than a poor man, he can't use all his money to buy even a few moments of life for himself. It is a pity that people don't make the best use of their time, just because nature does not charge for it. Let's learn to make the best use of our time. The second most valuable thing is freedom. We may be living in a free country, but freedom is something that always eludes us. We are under the commands of our parents when young, and we are controlled by our spouse, children, bosses, and society when we have grown up. People are so used to bondage that they have forgotten to live life as a free human being. If released from one shackle, they take no time to bind themselves in another shackle. Let us learn to free our minds from all the bondages and enjoy freedom of thought, expression, and action. The third most valuable thing is love. Is it not true that we all want to be loved? Yet, most of us may not be loved even by our loved ones. The world is so deeply infested with the virus of hatred that it is difficult to remain a loving person in the world for long. We spend our life seeking love, but it continues to elude us, except for a brief spell of time. Small acts like not talking behind someone's back, showing respect to a stranger, acknowledging your mistake after a heated argument, empathizing with people who have wronged you, ensure that the boundaries of our love are ever expanding. Let us never do anything which makes us lose the love of people who are dear to us. Now the fourth one is trust. Can you live with anyone whom you don't trust? How poor we are when people stop trusting us. Trust is so valuable that without it, no relationship can sustain. Still, people break the trust of their loved ones for petty benefits and momentary pleasures. Having someone we can trust and knowing that someone trusts us immensely increases our courage manyfold. Oftentimes, only after we have lost the trust of a loved one do we recognize what we have lost. Let us never break the trust of people and be trustworthy in life. The fifth most valuable thing is health. All the wealth of this world is useless unless you possess good health. You can't get good health back once you lose it. It is unfortunate that people usually understand the value of health only after they have lost it. And then they fail to restore their health, even if they spend all their money. Let us take care of our health by following and maintaining the right lifestyle. The best part about these most invaluable things of life is that they are available for free for anyone who values them, and not available to others even if they are the richest, most popular, or most powerful people in the world. These 5 ingredients in the right measure are the biggest gifts one can have in life. The riches that follow them are much more gratifying and worthwhile than all the wealth of the world.